Hello, everyone. Are you looking for the best cordless soldering iron? You've come to the right place. In this video, we've compiled the top 5 cordless soldering irons just for you. Stick around until the end for a special surprise. Now let's dive in. Master Appliance UT106 Soldering Iron. The top spot goes to the Master Appliance UT106 Cordless Soldering Iron, a versatile 3-in-1 tool perfect for wire connectors and precision butane torch work. This USA family-owned company brings over 60 years of expertise to this lightweight and portable soldering iron. It features ultra-tip soldering technology, extending tip lifespan and enhancing soldering efficiency. The adjustable temperature output makes it perfect for various applications, including electrical wire connectors. With flameless and precise soldering capabilities, the UT106 ensures you can handle your projects with ease, delivering professional-grade results every time. Weller BL60MP Soldering Iron. The Weller BL60MP cordless soldering iron is a powerful tool designed to elevate your soldering tasks. This compact and portable iron offers up to 45 minutes of continuous use or up to 1,100 solder joints on a single charge. The round, co-molded handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, while the integrated LED illumination enhances precision. With a quick 35-second heat-up time of 536 degrees Fahrenheit, reaching up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers reliable and efficient performance. Ideal for both professional and hobbyist applications, the Weller BL60MP is a top choice for cordless soldering. Genesis GLSI-08B Soldering Iron. The Genesis GLSI-08B cordless soldering iron offers rapid heat-up and portability. Powered by an 8V Li-ion rechargeable battery, it heats up in just 50 seconds, making it perfect for quick soldering tasks. The LED on-off indicator provides clear status visibility, and the two-step switch prevents accidental activation. With a maximum temperature of 860 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles a wide range of soldering jobs, including jewelry work. Compact and lightweight, the Genesis GLSI-08B is designed for convenience and precision, backed by a 2-year warranty for reliable performance wherever your projects take you. Weller WSTA-3 Soldering Iron. The Weller WSTA-3 Pyropin Professional Cordless Butane Soldering Iron is your go-to tool for field service and beyond. It is a lightweight and portable soldering solution that heats up in just 30 seconds, eliminating the need for cords, batteries, or cartridges. Its precision design ensures quick and efficient soldering, making it ideal for on-the-go tasks. The iron is compatible with various soldering tips and hot air nozzles for versatility. Whether you need to repair electronics or complete detailed soldering work, the Weller WSTA-3 provides reliable performance, making it an essential tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. JYJYZPB 213 Soldering Iron. Rounding out our list is the JYJYZPB 213 cordless soldering iron, providing a portable and efficient option for electronic component welding, home appliance repairs, and various manual production tasks. Featuring adjustable voltage settings, this versatile tool adapts to various soldering needs. Its compact and lightweight design, coupled with a built-in 1,100 mAh battery, ensures mobility and convenience, providing up to 40 minutes of continuous operation on a 2-hour charge. The iron heats up quickly, making it ready for use in moments. With replaceable soldering tips and a user-friendly design, the JYJYZPB 213 is a reliable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect cordless soldering iron. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you in next video.